If you bought an electric vehicle today, whether it's a Tesla, a BMW, or a Volkswagen, there's a very high chance that the most important part inside your car was made by a company you've never heard of. This company doesn't sell cars. It doesn't run big global ads, and outside of China, most people barely know it exists. Yet, behind the scenes, it powers a huge part of the global EV revolution. That company is CATL, and once you understand what it does, you realize this isn't just a company story. It's about who is starting to control the future of energy. CATL, short for Contemporary Amperex Technology Limited, was founded in 2011 in Ningde, a relatively unknown city in China. In just over a decade, it became the largest EV battery manufacturer in the world, supplying companies like Tesla, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Volkswagen, at one point holding roughly a third of the global market. To understand why that matters, you need to understand one simple idea. In an electric vehicle, the battery is everything. It determines range, charging speed, safety, and cost, and alone can make up 30 to 40% of the total price of the car. So EV competition isn't just about design or software, it's about who can build the best battery at the lowest cost and largest scale. That's where CATL built its edge. In the early days, many companies focused on pushing cutting-edge performance, higher energy density, more advanced chemistry. But CATL asked a different question. What actually works at scale? Instead of chasing the most advanced option, it invested heavily in LFP batteries, a slightly lower in performance, but much cheaper, safer, and easier to mass produce. And that turned out to be exactly what automakers needed, something reliable, scalable, and affordable for millions of vehicles. At the same time, CATL didn't just improve battery cells, it rethought how they are structured, introducing innovations like cell-to-pack and the chill-in battery. This shifted the competition from component-level improvement to system-level optimization, something far harder to replicate. But CATL's real advantage goes beyond technology. Over time, it built an entire ecosystem. It secured upstream resources like lithium, expanded massive manufacturing capacity, and formed deep partnerships with automakers. It also moved into energy storage and battery recycling. In doing so, it stopped being just a supplier and became something closer to infrastructure. And when you control not just the product, but the system around it, you become much harder to replace. There's also a bigger context behind its rise. China is the largest EV market in the world, and that scale creates powerful advantages. Larger production drives costs down, and faster iteration improves products more quickly. CATL used this environment to refine its technology domestically, then expand globally. Today, it's building factories in Europe, partnering with Western automakers, and embedding itself deeply into the global supply chain. At that point, it's no longer just a Chinese success story, it's a global force. And when you zoom out, CATL represents something bigger. For decades, key technologies were dominated by companies in the US, Japan, and Europe. But in the shift toward electrification, new players are taking control of critical parts of the system. Batteries are no longer just components. They are the foundation of the next energy era, and CATL is right at the center of it.